day long. I'm here. Let me give you the 60-second version of who I am and what I've done and why you're here. I started out in the industry in Los Angeles, California as a sales rep for Xerox, selling copiers. I went to a party, quit my job after meeting a photographer, and started representing photographers. It was at that time that I got the biggest lesson of my life, and that was that the product may be different, but the process for selling it is exactly the same.